Now we have to see that in this problem, either we may get one complete row or one complete column 0, or second thing, two rows or two columns must be identical. But here you can see carefully, two rows or two column identical, to make it identical is not possible. So for this, let us make all elements as 0. All elements of any row or any columns are 0. Look here, in the first row, add second and third row. So see here, plus minus b plus b get cancelled, minus c plus c get cancelled, minus a plus ca get cancelled. The value will be 0. Similarly, these to be added here. Minus a plus a get cancelled, minus b plus b get cancelled, minus c plus c cancelled. The value will be 0. And here also you can see minus b plus b get cancelled, minus c plus c get cancelled, minus a plus a get cancelled. The value will be 0. So remaining term will be, it is c minus a, it is a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. Then you can see one complete row is 0, the value will be 0. Hence we have not expanded it, just by using one property we have proved that its value is 0. Now next problem. Look here. So here, without expansion, prove that now. Again, let us take left hand side. Here it is 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86. Now, let us find out a relation to use the property that you can see here it is 2, 7. This 65 can be written as it is 63 plus 2, because 63 is a multiple of 7 and plus 2 if you add you get 65. Similarly 3, 8, it is 72 plus 2, 72 plus 3, sorry, it is 5, 9, it is 86 can be written as 81 plus it is 5. See here how we are writing the numbers. Here the last column has expressed as sum of two terms. So by the property it can be expressed as sum of two determinants. We can write this as it is 2, 7, 63, it is 3, 8, 72, here it is 5, 9, it is 81, plus it is, this will be 2, 7, it is 2, it is 3, 8, 3, it is 5, 9, it is 5. Now see here, in this you can see, so all three numbers are the multiples of it is 9 here. So we take 9 as common factor. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. It is 7, 9 into 7 will be 63. It is 8 and here it is 9. Now plus it is, this will be 2, 7, it is 2, 3, 8, 3, 5, 9, 5. Now you can see here two columns are identical, the value will be 0. It is 9 into 0. Here also it is two columns are identical, again the value will be 0. So the answer is 0. We have proved without expansion that the value of the determinant is 0. So let us take another example for this. So to have another example, Again, without expansion only we have to prove it. Without expansion, prove that. Without expansion, prove that it is 1 BC A into B plus C. It is 1 CA B into C plus A. 1 AB C into it is A plus B. That is equal to 0. Now, again, we make use of the properties here. Let us consider left hand side can be written as 1 BC, open the bracket, AB plus AC. Here 1 CA BC plus AB. 1 AB, it is CA plus BC. Now, you can see here, to what we do is here, in the third column, let us add second column. That means our new third column is equal to old third column plus second column. So this will be, it is 1 BC AB plus BC plus AC. It is 1 CA, it is AB plus BC plus CA. It is 1 AB, again AB plus BC plus CA. Now you can see, we can take this quantity as outside by the properties. We can write this as it is, here it is AB plus BC plus it is CA. We take it common here, 1 1 1. It is BC, CA, it is AB, and as it is taken common, 1 1 will be there. You can see the first column is identical to third column, the value will be 0, 0 into anything is 0. AB plus BC plus CA into 0, the answer is 0. Therefore, without expansion, we have proved that the value of this determinant is 0. Now we move to the further problems. Now let us solve the further problems here. So for these type of problem, remember one point that we have to prove the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in other words, here how to use the properties that will be given in the right hand side, which is the answer. So I will make it clear. Now let us take first problem of this type. It is B plus C, Q plus R, it is Y plus Z, it is C plus A, it is R plus P, it is Z plus X, it is A plus B, it is P plus Q. Now X plus Y must be equal to, it is twice of, it is A P X B Q Y C R Z. So this is, we have to prove it. Now see, in our right hand side 2 is there. To get, we should try to get first 2 in the answer. For this, let us see, we can add or column wise or row wise. Here consider the first, consider the left hand side, that is given by B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z. It is C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Then, now first our aim is to get 2 here. For this, you see, let us in the first row, let us add second row and third row. You can see here A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. We take 2 common. and we can write a plus b plus c here. Now again these two should be added here. R plus R is 2R, P plus P 2P, and Q plus Q is 2. Therefore we take 2 common and add them. It is Q plus R plus P. Similarly these two should be added here. 2 into it is yx plus y plus it is z. Remaining quantities will be as it is. So R plus P, it is z plus x, it is a plus b, it is p plus q, and it is x plus it is y. Now by the property k is multiplied, k means here k is equal to 2. 2 is multiplied to all elements of the first row, it can be taken common. So we take common the first row here. So we take common 2 outside. Now look here. It is a plus b plus c. It is q plus r plus p. And here it is x plus y plus it is z. C plus a. R plus P, it is Z plus X, it is A plus B, it is P plus Q, and here it is X plus Y. So now, see here, one thing we got here. Now to simplify this, we do one thing here. In the first row, subtract second row, that is R1 minus R2, let us take. R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. We can do like this. That will be better. So that will be here 2. It is A plus B plus C, Q plus R plus P. It is X plus Y plus Z. Now see here, C plus A minus this. What remains here, it is here, C plus A minus it is A plus B plus C. See here, C plus A minus B minus C. You can see here, it is C plus C get cancelled, it is you get it is minus C. Similarly, R plus P minus this one, so we get it is minus Q. And here it is Z plus X minus this one. What we get is it is minus 1. Now R3 minus R1 we have to take. To take the R3 minus R1, here you see here A plus B minus this one. What remains is here it is minus C. And here it is P plus Q minus this one. That is equal to minus R. Minus R. And it is, this will be get is minus Z means it is, what we get is it is minus Z. Now, again here, to get this what we do is, in the first row, let us add second and third. So if you add second and third row, you see here, we add here, what remains is only A, but minus B plus B get cancelled, minus C plus B get C get cancelled, remaining will be only A. Here also you can see, remaining will be only P here, it will be X here, and that is minus A, minus B, minus Q, minus Y, minus C, minus R, minus S. Now again, minus 1 can be taken from the second row, and minus can also be taken common in the third row. Both it is minus 1 here, minus 1 here, minus into minus will become plus here. So our answer is directly this one, it is P, Q, it is Y, C, R, it is Z. This is the required answer. Directly we got from this answer here, because it was the condition given that we should not expand it. One can expand this side and it is that, and can show that it is both equal, but it is not allowed, because without expansion we have to show that this is the method to show it. So we go to the next problem here. Show show that here it is there. Now it is, let us take the left hand side. So as earlier also I said, the answer only shows how to operate. A minus B is there. Look here. From the first column, subtract second column. You get A minus B here. And B minus C is there. So from the second column, subtract third column. That means second column, first column minus second column. Second column minus it is third column. So it will be 1 minus 1, 0. It is A minus B. And here it is A cube minus B. It is 0, B minus C. It is B cube minus it is C cube. 1 C, it is C cube. Now here to this term, let us factorize it. We know the formula. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. We have to use this formula. Let us see. We can write this as it is 0, it is A minus B, and here you applying this formula, A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. This is the first column. Second column, it is 0, it is B minus C, B minus C, B square plus BC plus C square. It is 1 C, it is C cube. Now you see here, it is, you can see out of 0 you can take anything common. A minus B can be taken common from the first column. B minus C can be taken common from the second column. So it is A minus B here. It is B minus C here. 0, 1. It is A square plus AB plus B square. It is 0, 1. It is B square plus BC plus C square. 1 C, it is C cube. Now here you see it is, there are two consecutive zeros. That will be normally maximum simplification will be there. Because to expand it, if you expand by first row, y 0 into anything will be 0, minus 0 into anything will be 1 into this we have to expand. Let us expand. It is A minus B, it is B minus 1 into, it is, we will leave this column, we will leave this row. 1 into this, B square plus BC plus C square minus it is A square plus AB plus B square. Now you see here it is A minus B, it is B minus C. Now B square plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus B square. Now you see plus B square minus B square get cancelled. Now we factorize these two terms, the underlined term. So we can write this as A minus B, B minus C. After factorization it will be C minus A into it is C plus A. And between the remaining two terms you can see B can be taken common. It is B if you take common. Here remaining is C minus A. Again between this term and this term C minus A can be taken common, and here we can write it is A minus B, it is B minus C into C minus A In the c minus a is taken common from here. What remains is here it is a plus b plus c, which is the required right hand side of the given problem. It is simple, and he has asked many times of in the examination also. So see carefully and solve this. Prove that it is x square y z, it is y square zx, it is z square xy is equal to, it is x minus y, it is y minus it is z, and it is z minus x, into it is xy plus yz plus it is zx. This we have to prove. Now here also the same way we have, by looking to this we have x minus y is common, we can subtract all of it. So consider the left hand side. It is x square yz, it is y square zx, it is z square xy. Now what we do is, here from the first row subtract second row, and from the second row subtract third. So we get it is, here it is x minus y, here x square minus y square. Now we get yz minus zx. So we need x minus y. So we take minus x common here, or minus z common here. It is x minus y. So this will be minus z common, x minus y we can write like this. Then r2 minus r3, y minus z, it is y square minus z square. It is, again look here, zx minus xy is there. We need y minus z here. So take minus x common, y minus z here. So this will be y minus z, and this minus x is taken common here. That is z square, it is xy. Now again let us factorize here. It is, we get it is, this is equal to, here it is y. Let us factorize here and write down x minus y into x plus y, and here minus z, it is x minus y. Second row will be y minus z, it is y minus z, it is y minus y plus z. This is minus x we have taken common, it is z square, it is xy. Now in the first row the term x minus y is common. Second row term y minus z is common. Let us take it common. X minus y minus z is taken common. It is 1 x plus y minus z. It is 1, it is y plus z minus x. And here it is z, it is z square, it is xy. So now we have see y minus z minus x should be we should get this z minus x are common here. Let us do one thing here. From the second row subtract first row. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here y minus y get cancelled, z minus x. And here also minus x plus z means z minus x will be there. So it will be x minus y minus z, it is 1 x plus y minus z, 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here it is y plus z minus x minus y. So it is it is z minus x, and here also minus x plus z means z minus x. So it is z square, it is xy. Now again from the third row z minus x can be taken common. We take it is x minus y, it is y minus z, into it is z minus x is common in the third. Now what remains into it is this matrix, this determinant will be, it is x plus y minus z, it is 0, it is 1, it is 1, it is z square, it is xy. Now we have to expand it. So to expand it, it is, so let me do here, we have to, let me do here, because we have to expand the last one determinant. Look here, this will be x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Let us expand row wise. 1 into, it is 1 into xy will be xy minus it is z square. It is 0 into anything is 0, z into, leave this column, leave this row, it is x plus y minus, it is minus of minus it is plus z. That is, here it is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, it is xy minus z square plus xz plus yz plus z square. You can see these two get cancelled. So our answer is x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. Here it is xy plus yz plus zx. So that is the required answer for this year. Now, dear student, we are solving the problems. Normally this type of problem asked in the paper in the section E for 4 marks. So we have some more problem which we will see in the next video. Please practice it. If suppose you are finding any mistake, suppose you are not following, or you are any doubt is there, please contact me on the this WhatsApp or phone me wherever that is step. I will make it clear. So please contact me if you find any difficulty. Thank you.